In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file to a message in LinkedIn. Let's dive into this important task that can streamline your communication in the professional realm. First things first, start by heading over to LinkedIn's website. You can do this by typing LinkedIn.com into your web browser. This will take you straight to the home page where you can log in. Whether you prefer using Google or Microsoft for a faster login experience or just feel comfortable typing in your email address and password, LinkedIn offers you these options for convenience. Make sure your login credentials are current to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. For those of you who have opted for the extra layer of security with two-factor authentication, be prepared to verify your account. Usually this involves entering a code sent to your registered phone number. An excellent way to ensure your account remains secure. Once you've successfully logged into LinkedIn, the next step is to navigate to your LinkedIn inbox. This is where the magic happens, where you manage all your messages. Find your way to the search bar or text box within your inbox. Here, you can type in the name or names of individuals you wish to send a message to. LinkedIn's search function is quite intuitive, which means it will provide you with relevant suggestions based on your connections as you type. Once you've zeroed in on the right contact or contacts, begin composing your message in the provided text box. Don't worry if your message isn't perfect right out of the gate. Just like drafting an email, you have the opportunity to revise and refine your thoughts until you're satisfied with how they come across. Now, let's focus on the main task. Attaching your file. Look for a paperclip or file icon, which is commonly located around or below the message text box. Clicking this icon will open a file selection window, allowing you to browse your computer for the file you wish to attach. Alternatively, if you have the file downloaded and at the ready, you can simply drag it directly into the message area. The drag and drop option is often faster and adds a seamless touch to the process. After your file is securely attached, take a moment to review your message. Ensure it conveys everything you want to say clearly and is well formatted to make a professional impression. When everything looks perfect and you're ready to go, press the send button. Your message, complete with the attached file, is now en route to its destination. And there you have it. A straightforward guide on how to attach a file to a message in LinkedIn. This simple but crucial skill is incredibly handy, especially in a professional world where sharing documents and resources is a common practice. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher.